How to use ChatGPT without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use ChatGPT without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by default, whenever you go to chat.openai.com, you try to sign up to ChatGPT by tapping the sign up option, but then it will basically ask you for a phone number or an email address, right? But if you don't have a phone number or anything like that, you can also basically use ChatGPT. You might be asking how? Well, the question is, and the solution is that you simply log in using either of these. So you have the option to log in with Google, Microsoft account, or your Apple ID. So what you can do is just go to login. If you haven't created an account already, you can do so and tap on continue with Google instead, if that is much more convenient. I'm sure you have a Google account. Now you can just select that, and after you've done that, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then finish creating up your Google account. This way you can go ahead and use ChatGPT without phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.